Hello traders, today we are looking at the next move indicator for MetaTrader 4. This tool analyzes recent price action and displays its assessments of the near-term directional bias. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports, and here we have it. As you can see on the chart, the indicator displays a line, as you can see over here, that reflects its readings of the probable next direction. When the calculation favors upward movement, bullish signals appear, and when it favors downward movement, bearish signals are shown. The indicator processes recent price data to make its assessments, updating as new bars form. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Alright, so we have at the inputs, we have the K3, EQ, we have the bars one and the color one, and edit and choose your preferred colors. I can trade in your preferred time frames as well. Who is the indicator for? This indicator is suited for traders who want a directional bias reference on their charts. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades or predict the future with certainty. The indicator's assessment is based on recent price data and can change quickly. False readings are possible, especially during volatile or news-driven conditions. Always use additional confirmation. If you'd like to download this tool or learn more, I've included the link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found it useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.